Every few months, a new GenAI model claims to change the game, but most feel the same. Slightly better visuals, slightly smarter prompts, until you try Higgsfield Veo 3.1. We already seen Veo 3.0, which made a remarkable change in Gen AI, or we can say content creation industry or AI video generation field. But now Higgsfield launches Veo 3.1 even before Google officially make it available for everyone. Yes, and I have been using it for a week now, and honestly, it feels like the first AI that finally understands both the visuals and sound design part of storytelling. So, in this video, I'll show you how Veo 3.1 fits into a real creator's workflow. I'll show you a couple of short AI videos from scratch made using Veo 3.1 and some other models available in the market.
Command, team is on the ground. Moving to secure the objective.
And now you can see yourself how Veo 3.1 adheres to the prompt, and even you can see how it is better than other AI engines. So before we dive into more details, make sure you already subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon and like the video so that you get notified for all our future uploads and you keep enjoying amazing videos which we create for you. So for anyone new here, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platform out there, built specifically for creators. Their whole philosophy is simple: let creators combine multiple AI tools together easily, like Veo for video, Soul ID for voices, Seedream or Nano Banana for story continuity. And now Veo 3.1 is the latest upgrade to their flagship model, and compared to Veo 3, it is more than just a visual trick. Let's break it down quickly: cleaner audio, sharp imagery, better prompt control, and now true HD output even up to 1080p. Let's make something real, and I'll show you what I made using Veo 3 inside Higgsfield AI. So here I have attached my image, I have described my prompt, and I have asked it to generate the video. And now you can see this is generating the video. Well, while it is generating the video, make sure you already subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well. Also guys, if you have not checked other videos from the Higgsfield AI on our channel, then just watch them. I have put all the links in the description below and in the cards on the top right corner of this video, so you can watch other models which are offered by Higgsfield AI on their platform. So now you can see this has generated the output.
This video is my AI version using Veo 3.1.
Feel it visually as well as you can hear the difference how Veo 3 or other AI models created the videos and how Veo 3.1 has generated it. Notice how the audio feels cleaner, not robotic or hollow. It's like real ambient field sound, and visually look at those skin tones, no weird flickers, no morphing, everything feels like super realistic. That's because Veo 3.1 has tighter prompts adherence. It sticks closer to what you actually describe, especially when you use structured prompts. And guys, if you don't know how to write better prompts, we have recently published a video which breaks down how to make any prompt perfect for any AI tool. We have defined the structure of the prompt and what should it contains. Everything is explained properly in the video. I'll put the link of this video in the description as well, or you can just find it on our channel. So now let's take one step ahead and let's see, when I have given same prompt to multiple models, how it looks and how it feels. So you can see what is, significance of Veo 3.1 and other AI models available.
This video is my AI version using 1.5.
This video is my AI version using Veo 3.1.
Now you can see Sora 2 is good, Van is also good, but let's be honest, it is still quite rigid and closed. Higgsfield on other hand lets you experiment, it's faster, the sound is surprisingly richer, and for creators like us it feels way more accessible. You don't need to massive GPUs or waitlist, you just log in and start creating. Another underneath thing that Veo 3.1 is optimized for short form videos. You can do up to 2 scene cuts in 8 seconds, which is perfect for reels, shorts and ads. That means you can storyboard a full mini story in just one prompt. So yeah, Veo 3.1 isn't just another AI update. It's a tool that genuinely understands how creators think. Cleaner audio, sharper detail, realistic motion. Whether you're making character-driven content, product shots or AI shots, it finally feels like your imagination can just flow. And if you see the videos which I have generated using this model, you can really feel, in fact, you can also let the character sing songs or poetry or anything which you want to do, and everything you can do inside Higgsfield without going to Google or without going to any other AI tools. Everything is under one roof so that you can get all other tools like image generation, story generation, audio generation, video generation, everything under one roof. So you just don't need to juggle between multiple tools, and now everything can be done under Higgsfield. And thanks Higgsfield for giving us Veo 3.1 so that you can create awesome videos. So let me know in the comments if you have used Higgsfield AI or any other AI tools which you feel are much better. So just let me know in the comments and we can make videos on those tools. And also guys, if you like this video, just hit that like button below, and for this video I'm putting a target of 500 likes. So just make the target complete and then like button will be disabled. So yep, to the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.